You can now buy your TPL online and get it within just 2 hours. Just follow these 8 easy steps. 1. Go to perlainsurance.com/compulsory-third-party-liability. 2. Choose based on your type of vehicle. 3. Scan and upload your certificate of registration. 4. Fill in your remaining car details. 5. Fill in your contact details. 6. The summary details indicate the amount you need to pay. Pay and attach QR payment slip. 7. Choose where you want to electronically receive your policy, COC, and official receipt. 8. Upon receipt of policy, you can now go register your car with the LTO. No more hassle, waiting, or need to go out of your home. We at Perla Insurance want to prioritize your convenience and that you are always worry-free.
All is well, all is well.